Hello, dear listeners and viewers. Glad to see you again. And I'm going to start my new podcast, as I promised, which is called English Basic Grammar. I think that we can start watching. I would like only to tell you that it can be useful not only for those who start English, but also for those who can speak a little bit but not that confident in using grammar structures. Okay, let's watch. I did it. My new podcast, English Basic Grammar. Lesson 1 is going to be about the pronouns, only the first part, and the verb to be. The subjective pronouns and possessive adjectives. Don't try to remember these difficult names. Let's pay attention. Pronouns, the words that we already know. I, he, she, it, we, you, they. And the words that help us to answer the question whose. My, his, her, its, our, your, their. And there are some examples in sentences. I am from Russia. My name is Lena. He is a doctor. His name is John. She is a teacher. Her students are glad to be at school again. It is a dog. Its tail is long. We are students. It's our school. You are really brave. It is your personal record. They are hardworking. Their day is busy. So from the first part of my video, it's a good idea to remember these pairs. I, my, he, his, she, her, it, its, we, our, you, your, they, their. And I would like to add a little bit more information about the pronoun it. We can replace the things and animals with this pronoun. But speaking about animals, if you would like to tell somebody about your pets as the members of the family, you can use the pronouns he or she. And one more situation when we can use the pronouns he and she for animals when they are the main characters of the tales. But in all other situations, it's better to use it. Time for checking. 4 sentences and 4 words. I, his, our, their. Pause this video and take as much time as you need. Try to do it. Now you can check. He, then his name. We are students, so it's our teacher. It is my bag, then I am a student. And they are my friends, it's their ball. Now the verb to be. Am, is, are. Am only with I. I am, just remember. For he, she, and it in the singular, we use is. He is, she is, it is. And in the plural, we use are. We are, you are, they are. We worked with this slide, but pay attention, this time other words are in bold, and it is the verb to be. I am, he is, she is, it is. If it is, for example, about her students, not a student, so they are. If it is about the record, again, it's about one person. It is your personal record. You can pause the video and read the sentences. The most informative slide, but it's not difficult. These are contractions. For the affirmative sentences, I am, I'm, he is, his, she is, she's, it is, its. And for the plural, we are, you are, or your, they are, their. If it is negative sentences, for I am, we can contract only I am, and not as a whole word. I am not. For he, she, it is not. The contraction is isn't. So he isn't, she isn't, it isn't. And are not will be contracted as aren't. We aren't, you aren't, they aren't. Uh, if it is questions, then we should start questions with the verb to be, not I am, but am I, is he, is she, is it, are we, are you, are they. And if you would like to answer the questions yes or no, give this kind of answers, yes or no, then it's not that difficult. For example, for he, yes he is, no he isn't. She, yes she is, no she isn't. For the plural, we, yes we are, no we aren't. Yes they are, no they aren't. But pay attention for the pronoun I, because try to imagine the question, am I brave enough to have an objection, for example? If I answer about myself, the answer will be, of course, yes, I am. But I think that in most situations, there is a person next to you, so the answer will be yes, you are, or no, you aren't. Now the verb to be. In English, they don't say I am a doctor. Yes, they like contractions. That's why it's necessary to know. And the first column, which is marked with plus, it is contraction of the pronouns with the verb to be. I'm, his, she's, it's, we are, you are, or you're, and they are. And let's speak a little bit about this pronoun you, because sometimes, and by the way, very often people pronounce this contraction as you. For example, if to remember a line from the song, "You're my heart, you're my soul," it doesn't mean I can translate in Russian, because I think that mostly my viewers are maybe from Russia, who knows a Russian language. It's not твое мое сердце, yes? It is you are my heart, you are my soul. So pay attention. So you are or your. Minus means contraction with the not. Is not, it is not. Are not, aren't. And am not, we can't contract. There can be contraction only with I am. I'm not. For questions, you start questions with to be, am I, is he, are we, are you. And by the way, about the pronoun you can address with you to one person, for example, your friend, or to a group of people. But in any case, it is the plural. So we can't say you is, only you are. Do you remember? How are you? And again, time for checking your knowledge. The verb to be, am, is, are. Again, pause the video and take as much time as you need. Fill in the gaps for these 7 sentences. Now you can compare your answers with the correct ones. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. Before saying goodbye, if you like this video, will you please give me some likes? And if you want to be informed about next lessons, subscribe to the channel and you won't miss them. Thank you for watching once more. Goodbye. See you next time.